Welcome to the Social Lens and thank you for watching. In a pivotal legal battle that has captivated the nation's attention, the Umkhonto we Sizwe Party and the Independent Electoral Commission (IEC) found themselves at loggerheads in the Electoral Court over the eligibility of former President Jacob Zuma to stand as a candidate in the upcoming May 2024 polls. The crux of the matter hinges on the interpretation of Section 47 of the Constitution, which serves to safeguard against individuals with criminal records from assuming public office, thus ensuring that lawbreakers do not become lawmakers. The courtroom drama unfolded as both parties passionately presented their arguments before the presiding justices. Supporters of the MK party, undeterred by the inclement weather, braved the elements together outside the court premises, demonstrating their unwavering support for their embattled leader. The Electoral Court, tasked with adjudicating this high-stakes legal dispute, conscientiously reserved judgment on the matter. As the nation holds its breath in anticipation, the court's impending decision carries profound implications not only for Zuma's political future but also for the broader democratic principles enshrined in the Constitution. The genesis of the legal battle dates back to Zuma's conviction in 2021 for contempt of court, resulting in a 15-month prison sentence. Despite subsequent remission granted by President Cyril Ramaphosa, Zuma's eligibility to contest elections came under scrutiny due to the constitutional provision outlined in Section 47. This provision stipulates that individuals sentenced to more than 12 months imprisonment without the option of a fine are barred from holding public office. Zuma's legal representative contends that the IEC lacks the authority to disqualify him from candidacy, arguing that only the National Assembly holds such jurisdiction. Mpofu emphasizes that Zuma's sentence was effectively reduced to 3 months following remission, rendering him eligible to stand for election. In the courtroom, the legal teams of both parties presented compelling arguments to support their respective positions. Mpofu vehemently asserted that the IEC's decision to bar Zuma infringed upon the political rights of millions of MK party supporters. He criticized the Commission for exhibiting bias and hostility towards Zuma, alleging that its actions were tantamount to disenfranchisement. Mpofu underscored the significance of upholding democratic principles and ensuring the fair representation of political parties and their candidates. Conversely, the IEC's counsel countered Mpofu's assertions by emphasizing the gravity of Zuma's conviction and its implications for his eligibility under Section 47 of the Constitution. The IEC's counsel argued that the legislative intent behind this provision was to prevent individuals with serious criminal convictions from assuming public office. He underscored the importance of upholding the rule of law and maintaining the integrity of electoral processes. Against this backdrop, the Electoral Court grappled with the complex legal issues at hand, including the interpretation of constitutional provisions and the scope of the IEC's authority. Judge President Dumisani Zondi and the panel of esteemed jurists weighed the arguments presented by both parties, cognizant of the urgency imposed by the impending elections. The court's decision, poised to be handed down imminently, carries significant ramifications for Zuma, the MK party, and the broader electoral landscape of South Africa. Beyond the confines of the courtroom, the legal battle surrounding Zuma's candidacy resonates within the broader socio-political context of South Africa. It underscores the tensions between individual rights, democratic principles, and the imperatives of justice. The outcome of this legal saga has the potential to shape public discourse, influence electoral dynamics, and redefine the contours of political participation in the country. Regardless of the outcome, this legal saga serves as a testament to the resilience of South Africa's democratic institutions and the commitment of its citizens to uphold constitutional principles. If you found this video informative, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time.